Hi, I'm Tish and welcome to Mantis Cars. Even the Mini Cooper S is a seriously fast and feisty little car, but the Mini GP is something altogether more serious. So how is it different from your standard John Cooper Works, I hear you ask? Apart from the stickers and the aero kit, it has adjustable ride height coilover suspension, providing greater agility, an upgraded braking system featuring 6 piston calipers, a 330mm front discs, and reconfigured stability control functions, including a more aggressive electronic differential lock control. Oh, and no rear seats. The Mini GP is a bit of a shock when you first experience it. A combination of all of those adaptations, there really is no getting away that this is a track car. Its turbocharged 1.6 litre engine has been tweaked to produce over 200 brake horsepower. Want some speed numbers? This car will do 0 to 62 in 6.3 seconds. That's 0.2 seconds faster than the John Cooper Works, and it will hit 150 flat out. The GP hangs in on corners better than any other Mini. You really can use the 1.6 litres engine's power, while the firmer chassis and bigger brakes allow faster entry into corners. With all that urge being sent through the front wheels, Mini has sensibly upgraded the rubber to give the John Cooper Works GP a fighting chance of applying its power on the road. The wider sport spec tyres are worn by 17-inch 4-spoke alloys, reminiscent of those fitted to the previous Mini GP back in 2006. The natty two-tone rims are also lighter than those on the standard car. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, then don't forget to check out our YouTube channel and subscribe for more content.